Ed from Obsessed Detail has come to clean our combine. Now Ed's actually a friend from university as well, and when I rang him on the phone I didn't realise it was Ed until I heard his voice. So he's currently just sorting the combine out and giving it a once over. We'll show you the updates. I'll have a chat with Ed in a minute and he can explain what he does, but I'll keep you updated on how he's getting on and what he's doing. But look at it now. So I'm just taking all of Dan's rubbish out of the combine, so it's easy for Ed to clean. Chocolate biscuits, Dan, how naughty. Pretty much, it's a bit dirty. She haven't managed to clean it since it went out last. But look at all them panels off.
Somewhere like that.
Bacon sandwiches waiting. Getting there.
Dust coming out.
You'll never see a combine so clean after this. Better not get Dan's bacon sandwich covered in dust, he won't be happy. Dusty sandwich! Dust is flying, all the panels are off. It's a proper job. All of his equipment. I'm here with Ed from Obsessed Detail. Now Ed started up his own company, cleaning tractors, combines, diggers.
Yeah.
Anything you want? Do you do cars as well?
Yeah, we do cars, but it's kind of just fallen mostly into the agricultural industry.
So if you want your combines, your tractors or anything clean properly, then Ed is the man. I'll put all the details below for you. But do you want to tell me a bit more about your company?
Yeah, so it started off, I've always been interested in keeping the car clean and that sort of thing.
You always did.
Yeah, and then having working on farms as well, and things like that, and been into machinery, the two sort of went together.
Yeah.
And then I was getting sort of more and more friends asking for things to be cleaned.
Can you clean it for me?
Yeah. And so I just sort of thought I'd give it a go.
Yeah.
Started off going into more of the machinery valeting, and then that's where I've ended up.
Now you've got your own little van.
Yeah.
I love the number plate.
That's the van, and there's got a steam pressure washer, air compressor, and everything in there that need to do the jobs.
So Ed's come to our combine. It's very dirty. I'm very sorry about it, but you're just giving it a blow off now, and we'll keep you updated on what it looks like. But if you need your machinery cleaned, then Ed is the man. I'm going to take my tether off and hook the rake on. I do want to hook the crone on because I do like that rake, but I'm the only one with the Coon box adapters. Oh, I left grapes in my cab. So I'm gonna have to take the Coon, but I don't mind. Oh, who's been in here? Look, I can't reach the pedals. Better go down. Down, 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 down. Hey! Ben doing his thing. Gonna do the hay. Baler's ready. That rake's ready to go on. My rake's ready. Here's got my box. Leave my box there while I get my water bottle, then we're ready to go. Look at Ed go with combine cleaning. Starting to already look good, and he's only just started. Give him refreshments to keep him going. Orange, a Baby Bell, some biscuits and a 7-Up. I don't think you can go wrong with that. He's gonna rev it up now. So he even knows how to run combines, open combines. The arms out, Ed's sweeping. We couldn't figure out why the guts wouldn't come out. I have now, actually. Yeah. Look at all that dust that he's blown off it, coming out. I'm off raking now. 3 degrees, my tractor says. Ben's going to follow me in a second with a rake. Don't know what he's doing, probably faffing. I've got his sunglasses. I've just filled up with diesel, off we go. This is the only day we're gonna catch this hay, so we have to do it now or never. So it's a big race to get it in before the storm tonight again. We all feel refreshed. We had a day off yesterday because it rained, so I did some pumpkin prep. So it wasn't really day off, but it was nice. And we're off again to do some hay. Good news, your seed rape is growing as well. You can see it actually coming up now. It's Frank in reverse with their little trailer on the back. Oh, we're getting there now. Oh, that's it. Very good. Had a bit of difficulty reversing a second ago. We're getting there now. So, we've met another tractor in a really tight lane and we cannot see where we're going at all. Thank you to the tractor though for reversing out of our way. There's nowhere for us to reverse unless we reverse like a mile up. Listen, thank you so much. Raking is on hay because you can just leave lovely grass behind and just all of them rows. So it's not picking it up as well here. So I'm going to clog back a little bit, drop my arms a little bit. If not, I'll have to go out and drop my actual rotors. But I'm just going to go up and down once and check it. Fortunately, I don't know if it's dry yet. I'm hoping it'll just blow off in the row. Oh, look at my wonky row. That's because I stopped to sort my rotors out. Ah, what a nightmare. And that's my first starting row, and your first starting row's always got to be straight. Otherwise the rest of the field goes wonky. Oh, I can even see it. That's so dreadful. That's really bad raking. I'll have to correct it in a minute. Field done. Looks quite satisfying because it's hay. Bit wonky. I'll have to get. It's funny because it kind of curves around the field. It's a really weird angle. Right, we're going to the next one. Our rake's just chilling. It's just winding down. Ben's done that field. Let's go and see how he's doing, and then we'll go on to the next. All the birds have come to find me. I just had one swoop just in front of my tractor, and also 2 deers legging it over the rows and rows and rows. It was really cute. I didn't have time to pick my phone up. I just thought I'm going to enjoy it and watch it. I'm sorry, that was a bit selfish that none of you got to see it, but can't catch everything. Can't catch everything. Now then, the raking's going well. Ben's in that field over there, if you can see it. And my first line was so much straighter. I have improved. There's Ben, raking away. Look at him go. Look at that big smidge on my window. I've got no screen wash left, so I'm just having to put up with it. It's looking shiny from here, I have to say. Let's go and see what Ed's doing. Look at these puddles. That is literally from 10 minutes of rain. There's just like no dirt on it at all anymore.
Like, yeah, it's like having a water fight with a combine.
A water fight with a combine. Apparently this is the nicest part. This is the cleaning service we get. Is it clean under there now? Getting there. I'm not going to come underneath. I'll let me go from the back. See if I can see you. This is all the dirt that's come off it. Crikey. That hose pipe's been your favourite thing.
So, as you can see, I'm on a bit of a different job right now. My chase is actually broken. There's some wiring issue somewhere and it's not working. So instead, I've got a big 8330 rather than my 4220 fast track. then we've got a 24-ton triaxle Stewart on, and we're actually leading grain. We're currently doing some wheat right in the centre of the estate. Again, very beautiful, nice views around. I've got the two big 8900s here. Connor's just tipping off from one of them there, and then once he's full I will go and get a bit as well. So I've just dropped my trailer off. Got one header on my tractor. Both combines are here, we're just waiting. The other header's behind this, waiting for another person to come and get the other header trailer, and then roll off in convoy to the next field. So right, off we go. Got one combine in front of me. We've just finished this field in probably about 2 or 3 hours. One combine in front of me, I've got that header on, and Chris is following behind. And we've got Kieran in the pickup just behind that hedge to escort us down. We're just waiting also on Stu to get the other header trailer on his tractor. He's also dropped off his trailer off the big fast track. So yeah. So we're just up at the next field right now. Alistair's just making a start. We're only combining with one combine up here, because half of it's already done, half of it's already bell. Again, absolutely amazing view looking down towards the village there, down in the valley. Yep. So we've just got my trailer hitched back on the 8330, and yeah, this is the field we've just finished. It's about 85 acres, and we've got that done in about 3 hours, so I don't think that's bad going.
Oh yeah, look at all that. How long have you been lying under there for?
Half an hour.
Half an hour. Good for the abs. So Ed is now running it all up, moving the combine. So you wouldn't normally let many people drive your combine or tractors or anything off the wash bay, but Ed can do it. So this is what differentiates himself from other people. Like a normal car valeting person, I suppose, couldn't drive a combine or a tractor. So this is quite specialist that he can actually do that. He's probably moved this combine off 4, 5, 6 times a day. He's now gonna brush the surface up so none of the stuff basically flicks up onto the combine. So that is what's different about Ed, and he's great. He started up his own business. I went to university with him, and he's really doing well for himself. So if you need anything cleaning, give him a shout. All the links are below. It's time for me to get dirty with Ed as well. I'm going to help him brush up.
Oh, yeah? What's all that muck off, Al?
Pardon?
What's all the muck off?